front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Begin with opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to click on passwords and security, select face unlock and enter your current screen lock. Then choose start and click on next in this pop-up after 5 seconds. Now you need to follow all of those instructions and keep your face in frame. Then you need to select Done. Manage all of those face unlock settings however you wish to and click Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!